Hello guys.
This is Radhika Rawat and you are watching my YouTube channel English with Radhika. I hope you are doing well. I am also doing great. So yes, today I am going to introduce you to my daughter Aradhya Rawat. She is lovely, she is caring, she is pretty girl. Okay, she is studying in 8th standard. So today's task, today I will keep some questions in front of her and she will give the right answer. So yes, so are you ready, Aradhya?
Yes, I am
So
ready.
yes, my first question is this: what is the definition of true friend, and who is your best friend?
Actually, my best friend. There are two best friends. Firstly is Navya, and secondly is Lavanya.
Okay.
They always stand in my difficult times, and I think it's a definition of true friend, that a person who stands with you in your difficult times.
Yes,
He or
yes.
she not maybe in your good times, but he or she will always and always be in your difficult times.
Okay, so means true friend always stand by with you. Okay, and always help you, assist you in your difficult times.
Yes.
Yes, you're absolutely right. And who's your best friend?
My best friend, I said,
Navya.
Navya and Lavanya.
Why?
They always stand with me in my difficult times.
Okay. So my second question is this: who do you love most in your family members?
I love. There is not a specific one at all, because all I love all in my family, including my mother, my father, my brother, my nani, nana,
Okay.
mama, mami, and my cousins. All I love, and I also love them, and they also love me equally.
Okay.
So I love. I can't choose a specific one.
Okay, so you're the one, I think you're spreading happiness, okay, around you. Okay. So yes, my third question and the last question is that what do you want to become in your future? What is your hobbies and what do you want to yes become in your life?
Yes, my hobbies are dancing, and I
You
think
love dancing.
yes, and playing basketball, playing table tennis, and what was the second question?
What do you want to become
yes,
in
what
your
I want to
future?
become in my future. So I want to become a doctor,
Okay.
but my mother wants to see me in a judge costume, and he from the beginning she wants that I
She
have.
from the my
Yeah.
mother.
My mother wants that I have to become a judge.
Yes.
I don't know the reason behind it, but
But
I
judge.
think doctors have more respect.
But
Have,
it is not like that. No. Judges, job is also respectable job.
yes, both are equally respectable, but I think that it is harder to become a.
Yeah,
It is
you
harder
should
to
mention this.
it is harder to become a judge.
No. Actually, to become a doctor, it is a very big deal. Okay. You cannot say like this, it is a very easy task. Okay.
But
It is not a piece of cake to
But
become
I
a
don't
doctor.
want to take art side. I want to take biology and.
Okay. Yeah. As a parents, being a parents, we will not impose our feelings to you. It is up to you. Whatever you want to become in your future, so yes, you can. Okay. So yes, actually, guys, I want to share something with you. When I started my journey with this language, so definitely I I kept saying her, you should start practice with me because I am fumbling, I am getting stuck sometimes, but she was simply unwilling to practice with me because she said that already I am getting this atmosphere at school, so I will not allow you to speak in English at home. So otherwise she is very nice girl, she is a studious girl and accomplished girl. She is not mediocre at studies, actually she is a good girl, and she's doing well in her study. So yes guys, if you are learning this language, so please don't lose your hope, and I think with the dedication and with the how to say determination, you can learn this language. But the thing is that you need to be adamant and consistent. Okay, so thank you so much. And
If
now
you liked my mother's video, so just subscribe to her channel, like and comment.
thank you so much.
Bye.